Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well. I've got my morning espresso. This is going to be a dividend portfolio update because I haven't done a video on my dividend portfolio for a while. So stick around, let's get into it. Good morning everyone, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Just wanting to say sorry about yesterday. I didn't get a chance to do a video because we just went into a 6th lockdown here in Victoria and Australia. It's unbelievable. Just got really chaotic yesterday. I just didn't get a chance to get around to do a video, so I apologize. But thank you very much to every single one of you up here who have subscribed to the channel. It's really incredible. I love talking with all of you in the comments below in the community tab up here. So thank you very much. If you're new, please come along in this incredible journey with me and everyone else here. Smash that subscribe button. Turn on that little bell notification as well because I love doing these videos on a regular basis, as you can see right here. Documenting my journey with investing be through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building finance, all kinds of stuff. So come along this incredible journey. It'd be really awesome. And if everyone could smash that like button, it would really help the algorithm as well. And I'd really appreciate that. So if everyone could smash it, do it now. Thank you very much. Little disclaimer, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. It's very important. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. Do your research. It's jump on your phone. It is free and in the palm of your hand. Get confident, then make a decision to invest from there once you have some confidence. All right, please be careful. So now that the formalities are out of the way, guys, I'm just going to give you an update on my dividend portfolio. I use the app Stake. This is my brokerage here in Australia. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. If you do, we can get a stock in Dropbox, GoPro, or Nike. And yes, I finally got a stock in Nike, which is incredible. Finally, it's taken me a long time, but there it is. I have my one share in Nike and I got that from the referral, so thank you very much. It does happen, guys, so stick with it. So this is my dividend portfolio, guys. I have been investing in dividend stocks for a long time now and I am continuing to do this every single week. I try to dollar cost average into dividend paying stocks to build my portfolio and to benefit from the compounding over time, and this is what I love, dividend stocks. It's very different to cryptos. Obviously you get paid dividends every single quarter, month or year depending on the dividend companies that you actually buy, and I'll get into just some major ones that I'm personally invested in this portfolio. So it's sitting at $27,119.02 USD. This is US dollars, people. On the day I've had a total return of $261.85, 0.97%, and across my entire portfolio, because I invested all throughout 2020, I bought the dip with stocks and I've had a 28.69% return, $6,045.50 return USD. That is insane. Just saying, it's crazy stuff. And I did buy the dip and I'm glad I did. I took advantage of that and I just dollar cost averaged all throughout 2020 and I've benefited from that. Mainly from, energies companies. So I'll get into this. Buying power, I've got 28 cents. That is a dividend that's paid out. You can see here all my dividend stocks are mainly in the green today, which is really positive. My biggest holdings I'll show you in a second in regards to my dividend tracking app because that is fascinating. But I just want to show you something here with ExxonMobil because this is one of the biggest ones that I personally bought in 2020 and is a dividend king. It has been increasing its dividends for many years now and it has been paying dividends for a long time, which is really good. Obviously, I've got 86 shares of ExxonMobil. The equity is $4,965.93 USD, which is incredible. My average price is $47 per share. I've had a total return of 21.45%, $877, guys. That is incredible. The dividend yield is 6.12%, which is great. Obviously, I tend to go for dividend yields of around 2 to 5 is my range. Anything just above that is okay, I believe. When it starts getting into the high 10s, that's when I've got to be really concerned, guys, because they can cut their dividend. So you've got to be aware of that. The higher the dividend yield, the more risky it is and the more likely they will cut that dividend being paid out every quarter or month or whatever it may be, or yearly. So the other big dividend payers are VYM. Obviously, this is an ETF and like an index fund. You're buying the top 500 companies in the S&P 500. I have been adding to this as well, 15.7 shares of this, and I bought the dip obviously, and I bought it an average around $92. You can see here I've had a total return of 14.73%, which is $214.56. This is incredible, guys. You don't see these kind of returns anywhere in banks. So this is why I love doing this. Not only are you getting the benefit from the stock price going up in value, but you're also getting the benefit of dividends getting paid out every quarter. So it just snowballs. That's basically why I love this. So that's pretty much it. I'll just quickly show you here what's going on here in terms of my dividends. I do reinvest my dividends, by the way. So you can see here, I was paid a dividend of $12.95 from AGNC. This is a big dividend payer, and a lot of people are saying you're crazy for buying this because they have some intentions of cutting their dividend in the future, but I don't see that happening for a while. And obviously, this company's got a lot of room for growth because they own HBO. They've just done a deal with Discovery Network as well, and just they have so much technology and 5G internet and stuff like that happening in the US. So I just am dollar cost averaging into this, but you can see here obviously the start of August, and I'll just quickly show you here what the dividends were paid out. So let's just scroll down here. Okay, so 2nd of August, I received 70 cents from GAIN, GAIN, LAND, 9 cents here, LTC Properties, dividend of 5 cents. Where have we got here? OXSQ is like a technology-based index fund here. So that is 22 cents. PGX dividend of 6 cents. QQQ, sorry, is the tech NASDAQ here. So this is like the ETF for that. 9 cents here. SPHD is a big player of mine. SPHD has paid me $8.08, which is great. This pays every month, so I look forward to this dividend every single month. And you can see here I've got 70 shares of that. So this is a great company if you're interested in diversifying your portfolio. It is like an index fund, spreads out your money as well. They have cut down their dividend, which is really annoying, but obviously this is a long-term hold for me. So obviously we'll see how this goes. I did deposit 142 USD. And obviously with those dividends that I had in my account, I ended up buying more SPHD at $156, which is awesome. I bought 3.5 shares of that. CVS paid a dividend of 8 cents. JP Morgan 10 cents. Obviously AT&T $12.95. I reinvested the dividends obviously back into AT&T, and I got paid a dividend on the 4th, and what are we today? The 6th of August, I got paid 33 cents. So you can see here, just adds up, guys. Dividends, just reinvest the dividends. It's incredible, and it pays out almost like every day, which is incredible. So this is why I love dividend stocks. Now I'm going to get into my dividend tracking app right here. And you can see that I've got $1,239.50. This is $1,239 AUD every single year coming in dividends, guys. This is incredible. So on average, I'm averaging $103 a month in dividends, $3.40 a day, which is like virtually a coffee now. So it's incredible. It's incredible. Yield is 4.33%, which is a great dividend yield across my portfolio. I'm due to receive a dividend from 4 days from AGNC of $2.09, American Express of 22 cents in the next 4 days. These are my top 3 dividend payers, guys. So I'm going to get into this. ExxonMobil pays me $409 a year. SPHD pays me $138. This is Australian, by the way, a year. Prospect Capital pays me $101. Realty is a great REIT, which is a real estate investment trust. This pays every month. $97 a year, which is awesome. EPD is a great company, increasing the dividends as well, $84.99 a year. AT&T pays me $71 a year. VYM, which is the index fund for the S&P 500, high dividend yield, so great dividend paying ETF here, pays me $64. And Stag is an industrial REIT, so like warehousing, stuff like that. That is a great dividend paying company. That pays me $51 a year. So I've got so many of these companies here. Obviously, I'm not going to go through them all because there's too many of them, but these are the dividends that I get paid every single year. And this stuff just grows over time. So why wouldn't you look at and consider it dividend investing? So it's incredible. I'll show you this, the power of compounding, by the way. So I've got a dividend goal of $20,000 a year, excuse me, which I've reached 6% of. And it's saying here if I invested $432,000, I would have that $20,000 in dividends coming every year, which would help a lot in life, believe me. 33% of my dividends come from energies and minerals companies. Dividends receivable this month is $54. So I'm due to receive $54 this month. Being August, this is incredible. $36,716.44 is my portfolio in Australian dollars, people. And I'm obviously I've had a return of $8,121.68. That is incredible, guys. That's AUD. So these are all my companies here, this is a great app. I'm not affiliated by this at all, guys. So just obviously there's an app in the App Store on iOS. I don't think this is available on Android, unfortunately. But so check this out. In 10 years, if I didn't do any more investing, just reinvested the dividends that these companies pay out, my portfolio is going to be worth $59,000 and would pay me $4,000 a year. but I love looking at the 20-year one because this is insane. My portfolio is going to be worth $183,000 and it will pay me $21,000 a year in dividends. Now, that is incredible, guys. Now think about that for a moment. If I just don't do any more investing, it's going to pay me in 20 years $21,000. I am aiming to have this sitting at around $400,000, so you can imagine what 20 years would look like. It would pay you a lot of money, guys, so it's incredible. So let's just see how we go with this. I am investing in this every single week, guys, because I really want to buy these and hold these for life. This is going to be generational wealth here, guys. Honestly, this is something that will support your family or your whatever you're doing in your life. Definitely it will do that. You can see September is my biggest dividend paying month. I've got $120 definitely confirmed. $46 is yet to be confirmed. Company has to confirm their dividends, and obviously you have to own the stock before the dividend cutoff. If you own the stock before a dividend cutoff, then you are due to receive the dividend that next following month. So you need to own the dividend stock when the cutoff is actually there. And then once the dividend is announced, you will receive that dividend. So make sure you look up the companies that you're buying as well. They do have a cutoff date every single quarter or month, whatever it may be, when you have to own the stock to receive the dividend. So that's basically it. My average is $102, which is incredible. But you can see here, guys, this is the power of compounding. This is why I love it. I am investing in it. Obviously, Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, all these big investors have bought dividend paying stocks. Kevin O'Leary, all these guys buy dividend companies. They don't invest in companies that don't pay dividends, guys, honestly. But it's an incredible way to invest. But that's it. That's my dividend portfolio as it stands today. So let me know if you are interested in dividend stocks. Leave the comments below what you think some dividend companies are great to invest in. I personally am going to be definitely buying more SPHD, Realty, Coca-Cola, AT&T, ExxonMobil, Enterprise Products Partners, EPD, and some other companies as well, which I'm looking into at the moment. But these are the ones that I'm going to be definitely investing. Oh, and Kimberly-Clark as well, because that is a great long-term dividend-paying company, and it's going to be around for a long time. And it's something that I understand. I don't like to invest in companies that I don't understand. If you understand the product, you understand the business, you'll know where it goes in the future. So that's kind of like a rule as well that I look to as well. All right, so that's it for the dividend portfolio, guys. Stick around for a crypto video now, because there's been some insane returns, and I'm going to show you that in a second. All right, so stick around. Stay safe, guys. Peace. Bye.